How to quickly cool a scorching hot car on a hot summer day. This concentrated cooling nozzle boosts car cooling speed effectively. Instant cooling after spraying. It has a refreshing mint formula with a pleasant, non-irritating scent. Spray continuously into a beaker for 7 seconds at room temperature. Frost will quickly form on the beaker walls. Aeropak Instant Cooling Spray has a wide range of uses. It also delivers instant personal cooling for outdoor workers and sports enthusiasts.